And if we see in our school, we have all types of Muslim taking admission. Hanafi, Shafi, whether it be Salafi, Ahle Hadith, Jamaat Islami, Tablighi, Deobandi, Barelvi. But we say, in our school, we follow Quran and Sunnah. And we take in writing that we will teach what is mentioned in Quran and Sahih Hadith. And we make it very clear. We do not believe in dividing Muslims into different sects. Islam is against that, Quran is against that. Quran says in Surah An'am chapter 6, verse 159, that if anyone makes section of Islam, it is haram. O Prophet of Allah, we have nothing to do with him. So in spite of this, we have the children of the heads of the different Jamaats. Jamaat Islami, Tablighi Jamaat, all wanting admission, mashallah. So you really feel and you see a cross-section of the Muslim Ummah. The rich class, the middle class, the poor class, the different people. And people come from faraway areas where they even have to travel 2.5 hours. They come from length and breadth of Bombay. The school is in center of Bombay. People come from Mira Road, from Mumra. They travel 2.5 hours up, 2.5 hours down. And some of the parents, when the child is very young, they have to travel 8 hours. 2 hours up and down to drop, 2 hours up and down to pick up. So here we find that once we give quality, people are bound to come to you. One thing is the Muslim Ummah wants Islamic education, but believe me, I would not put my son in any of the Muslim schools in Bombay if my school wasn't there. Not that I hate Muslims. I like them, but I want my child to get proper education. So the only option I had was to start a school. So here we realize that there should be demand. And whatever activity we do, we always say there should be 10 times minimum more number of people wanting to take part than the number of seats you have. Always. If there's a demand, then mashallah, you can provide quality and you can get the best out of the people because they know they have got admission out of a great difficulty. So what we say they follow. If you get easy, if it's a walk-through, then they take it for granted. And to have this model somewhere else, there are many people who copied all our syllabuses, absolutely. Anyone can copy it free, no problem. But many people copied. Hardly anyone came even close to 5% of what we are doing. Because the main thing is not the syllabus, main thing is the management. Copying the syllabus is very easy. You can't take a syllabus from a good American or British school and think you can match it. Main thing is how well you control it, how well you handle it. The management is very important. The management, the teachers, the parents, all put together. There should be a combination of everything. Everyone should have faith in each other. Then only will you really be able to make a difference. And once you have the confidence of the parents, inshallah, you can do wonders. So many a times we introduce many things, mashallah. Always there has been cooperation. So unless you don't have quality, you will not be able to achieve what you're opting for. And this is the principle of Islam too, that you believe in quality, anything we do.